जय विज्ञान एवरीवन। सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विद्यारूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तुते विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तुते विद्यां देहि नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, हे महाभाग्यवती, ज्ञान रूपा कमल के समान विशाल नेत्र वाली ज्ञानदात्री सरस्वती, मुझको विद्या दो, मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Hello students, in our previous lecture we have already discussed about metamorphic rocks. What are these metamorphic rocks? So due to the enormous change in heat and pressure, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks undergo some type of changes and they formed one another type of rock which is known as a metamorphic rocks. Now we are discussing today we are going to discuss about four types of metamorphic rock which are given in this chapter. Okay, so first one metamorphic rock is a marble. What do you mean by marble? It is a metamorphed sedimentary rock formed from limestone. It is commonly used for flooring to make statues and buildings. The Taj Mahal in India is fine example of this white marble. So this marble is one type of metamorphic rock which is formed from the sedimentary rock. Some kind of metamorphic rocks are formed from the igneous rocks, or some kind of metamorphic rocks are formed from the sedimentary rocks. Okay, so these marble is a one type of metamorphic rock which is formed from the sedimentary rocks. Okay, some changes are takes place in the limestone and it is converted into the मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक विच इज़ नॉन एज अ मार्बल. तो ये जो मार्बल है वो कौन से स्टोन में से बनता है, कौन से रॉक में से बनता है? तो मार्बल जो होता है वो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक में से, उस सेडिमेंट्री रॉक के फॉर्मेशन में थोड़ा बहुत चेंज होता है. तो लाइमस्टोन जो है विच इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, द चेंजेस टेक प्लेस इन दिस लाइमस्टोन एंड इट इज़ formed in another type of rock or which is known as a marble. Now what are the main applications of this marble? This marble is used as a flooring. Flooring means हमारी जो टाइल्स होती है उसमें. It is also made for making the statues. In a जैन लोगों के जो देरासर होते हैं, इन देरासर the statues of their Tirthankar are made from the marble. Most of the statue of Tirthankars are made from the marbles. Okay, and the biggest example and the fine example of this marble in our India is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is also made from the white marble and it is the best example of the application of this marble. Okay, so this marble is a one type of metamorphic rock which is formed from the limestone and it is this limestone, it is a sedimentary rock. Okay, now another example of this another example of this metamorphic rock is slate. So shell, a sedimentary rock, is metamorphosed into slate. It is hard and smooth rock which can be split into layers and it is used to make slates, tiles and blackboards. Okay. Now what is this slate? तो slate जो है वो भी एक टाइप का मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक है and it is formed from the shell which is one type of sedimentary rock. So these slate is also made from the, or it is also formed from the sedimentary rock shell. तो ये जो स्लेट होता है ये है वो भी एक सेडिमेंटरी रॉक में से ही बनता है विच इज नॉन एज अ शेल. तो शेल जो होता है वो सॉफ्ट रॉक है एंड दिस स्लेट इज हार्डर देन द शेल. Shell is a sedimentary rock which is very soft rock, but due to enormous changes in heat and pressure, this shell is changes its crystal structure and some minerals are added into this shell. Okay, and this shell is converted into the another type of rock which is known as a slate. Now what is the difference between this shell and slate? To this shell, which is a one type of sedimentary rock, it is soft rock, while this slate is hard rock. Okay, this is the difference between the shell and the slate, and this difference is due to the minerals which are present in the slate and shell. Okay, now if we talking about its outer appearance, then some type of layers. This slate is look like some type of layers on its outer surface. Okay, now what is the use of this slate? It is used for making the blackboards which are using in school colleges for teaching purpose, blackboard. Okay, then tiles, flooring tiles and slates. Okay, now third one metamorphic rock is quartzite. Its pronunciation is quartzite. It is formed from sedimentary rock called sandstone. It is very hard rock and it is weather resistant, is used in a glass and ceramic industry, and it is also used for making jewelries and ornaments. As we have already discussed that whenever the percentage of quartz in a sandstone is more than or greater than 85 to 94%, then this type of stone is known as a क्वार्जाइट. मतलब कब किसी भी सैंडस्टोन में जब भी क्वार्ट्ज के परसेंटेज ज़्यादा होते हैं तब वो स्टोन जो होता है, तब वो रॉक जो होता है, इट इज़ नोन एज ए क्वार्जाइट एंड इट इज़ वेरी हार्डर रॉक. It is harder than the granite. Okay, as we have already discussed when we study about the igneous rock, that igneous rocks में जो होता है granite is more harder than the other rocks, but this quartzite is harder than the granite. Okay, and this quartzite is also made from the sedimentary rock which is known as a sandstone. As like slate and marble, this quartzite is also made from the sedimentary rocks which is known as a sandstone, and it is very hard rock, weather resistance. मतलब whatever changes occurs in the weather, it doesn't affect this quartzite, Okay, this quartzite resist any weathering changes. Okay, it is used in glass and ceramic industry. It is also used for manufacturing the jewelries and ornaments. Okay, now the last metamorphic rock is gneiss. Gneiss is a one type of metamorphic rock which is formed from the granite. Okay, as earlier three metamorphic rock, marble, slate and quartzite, are made from the sedimentary rock, but this gneiss is formed from the igneous rock and it is granite. Okay, so granite, a kind of igneous rock, changes to form gneiss. It has a striped or strict appearance due to the presence of different minerals in it, and it is used as a building material. तो ये जो नाइस होता है वो ग्रेनाइट में से उसका फॉर्मेशन होता है, वो हार्ड रॉक होता है. उसका जो आउटर अपीयरेंस है उसमें ऐसे स्ट्राइप्स जैसी लाइनिंग होती है उसकी आउटर सरफेस पर, और वो किसकी वजह से होती है? ड्यू टू द नंबर्स ऑफ मिनरल्स प्रेजेंट इन इट. Okay, and it is used as a building material because it is hard rock, that's why it is used as a building material. Okay, now one exercise is given in this metamorphic rock. After this metamorphic rock topic, match the following. तो igneous rocks, sandstone, column 1 में जो दिया है it's igneous rocks, sandstone, marble and obsidian, and in column B Qutub Minar formed from limestone, jewelry and ornaments formed from volcanic eruption. Now these igneous rocks are formed from the volcanic eruption. Whenever the lava comes out of the earth through the volcanoes, okay, through the weak point of the earth, it cools down and converted into the one type of rock which is known as the igneous rock. That's why these igneous rocks match with the option D in column 2, formed from volcanic eruption. Now second one, it is a sandstone. Sandstone में क्या आएगा? मार्बल में क्या आएगा? Sandstone, it means it is Qutub Minar. Now marble is a formed from the limestone. Okay, एंड ऑब्सीडियन, ऑब्सीडियन में आएगा ज्वेलरी एंड ऑर्नामेंट्स. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी आर complete our lecture over here. Goodbye all of you.